Hi everyone, it's me Melanie from Hi Meta Stardust, and today I have a really exciting video. We are gonna be doing an unboxing of the November box for your creative studio. This is a subscription type of box where you get different goodies you can use for journaling, and it's like a surprise inside, so I love these. A little disclaimer, I do already know what's in this box because I did get my subscription for November and December, and when they contacted me about doing this unboxing, I think there was maybe some miscommunication about that. So I did want to let you guys know I do know what's in this box, and I do have an unboxing because I usually do an unboxing on my Patreon whenever I buy things. So it's not all a surprise, even though I kind of forgot what was in here. I got mine really early in the month of November. But nevertheless, these boxes are great. I love them. I wouldn't have subscribed if I didn't think these were totally worth it, and I did want to say that. I know the products are good quality, and for the amount, the value for what you get is actually really good. So you guys should definitely check them out, and I'm gonna have a link in my description box so you guys can check it out. So this month they usually have like kind of a theme, and this month I think the theme was deer. I don't know if that's a moose or a deer, but yeah, I think it's deer. And so I put the little cards in my journal, so I might do a journal with me with these things after this. That might be fun. So there's this bookmark, and this one's really fun because it's like one of those magnetic ones. And I think I'm gonna put it in my December daily, actually, to mark the days where I'm at. There's this. I don't remember exactly what was in here. I received mine really early in January. November, I'm sorry. And we're now already in December. So, I think these are stickers. They're really cute, vintage type of like stickers. I love these. So cool. Oh, these are great for now for December. The ice coupon ones. So you get those. These are pretty. And we all love vintage looking things, so that's perfect. Yeah, it says original stickers, so these are stickers. Oh, there's these. Oh, I remember, I love these. I love labels. These are like just labels. Oh, I should have gotten my little scissors. Okay. And I love labels, so if you guys have seen this before, I'm gonna take it out of the thing. But oh, it's like a book. I don't think I opened the other one like this. I don't remember. I have bad memory, but there's a lot of papers here. These ones look like labels, and I love these for journaling. I use this type of papers like this all the time because they're great for just writing something real quick in your journal. And when you I always say this when I open these boxes on my Patreon, what I love about this is that you can share with your friends in Happy Mail because there's so much of these, you know, and I do really love that. I actually do put them in Patreon mail sometimes. They do have some stamps. The stamps this month were really cool, and these are originals from them, I believe, because it says your creative studio. They make their own like original type of what's the word, like designs, and I love them. This one's super cute. I loved it. I don't have use for 2 stamps since I already do have the other box, so I think I might gift these, you know, to friends. I like put them in Happy Mail because I don't really have use for 2 stamps. Oh, this is the washi tape. The washi tape for this one was really cool. I also might give the washi tape, so because I have so many washi tapes, and how beautiful is that? I love it. I love that their washi tapes are usually like a neutral colors, no matter the theme, and I love that because I love browns and earthy colors like that. So that was their washi tape, so pretty. This is a cling stamp. And I did want to say, even if you get these boxes, like I did want to ask here because they say cling stamps, but oh, I broke the package. But I don't find a way to like cling them. To what do I cling them? Because I tried once and in another box and I took this off and it was just sticker, like it was just very sticky and it just stuck to the thing. And if you put them like this on an acrylic block, they don't cling, so I just use them like this. But I did want to ask, maybe I'm missing something and maybe somebody else knows how to use them better. Oh, I forgot there were so many of these little ones. Isn't this cute? I think I'll send this in Patreon mail maybe this month as a little extra present to some of my patrons because I don't need two of the same stamps. I already have so many stamps. Okay, but the quality is really good, so I did want to do a journal with me because I did want to show you guys how good the quality of the stamps is. There's these fern stickers that are like the clear stickers that I love. If you guys have been here with me, you know I love these, so that's a plus for me. And they also always have these original stickers with their designs that they made, like the washi tape and whatnot, and I always love them. They used to have them like in black and white, and now they're coming out with these color ones, and the colors are just beautiful. I love these. I'm gonna put some of mine December daily. That's so exciting. And then there's the stamp. This is another cling stamp. Beautiful. I love that. I think last month they had their stamps on wooden things, and I really love that. So if anybody knows how you cling these, how you put them, maybe you're supposed to glue them to a wooden thing. I don't know. I just use them like that. It's no problem. But if anybody knows what I'm missing, because I know a lot of people do get these boxes, please let me know. Next we have, oh, their design sticky notes. These are super cute. Sometimes they have sticky notes and sometimes it's just notes with no sticky, but they're always great. I love these for generating something real quick. It's super cute. We have some stickers. These stamp stickers are so cool. I always love these. They're so awesome for making like faux vintage envelopes, or like when you're making envelopes, you just stamp them. You can just stamp them. This one has like actually the stamp, the cancellation stamp. Super cute. These are of animals. Oh, I love that one. So I do love me some stamp stickers, and like I said, see, you get so many that you can share with your friends. that you do swaps with or happy mails. If you do if you have a Patreon, you do Patreon mail, or if you do journaling kits, you can put some of the stickers in there if you're like, also to use in your journals that you sell. Oh, I remember these. I love these. These are tags, and I remember they're so sturdy, and I'm in love with these. Aren't they beautiful? So excited about these. And since I got 2 packs now, I definitely will be sharing these. But they are so sturdy. I really love the quality of these. It's just really good quality work. And the packaging is super cute, which if you're junk journaling, that always is a plus. For me, I always use the packaging. And then we have some of these vellum stickers, which I also love. I love vellum stickers. And these are flowers and leaves. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I really love these. Oh, look at that. So as you can see, there's so many, and I think you pay like, I don't know the exact price. I want to say maximum like $30, but I'm rounding it up. I usually round things up. It might be like 28 something or 28, and if you get 2 months, it's less. It might be less than that. I tend to round things up to, like, in my mind, if something costs $28, it's $30. And then we have these vellum papers. These are awesome. I love vellum. I love see-through things for some reason. So I really love these. So not too bad. Not too bad to have doubles of some of these things, actually. And the rest I can always put in happy mail. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this up a little bit, and then let me look at the time. Maybe I can do the journaling. If not, then I'll do another video. Just let me. Okay, so this is already like 17 minutes, so I'm gonna cut it so the video uploads quickly and it's not too long. And I'm gonna do a junk journal with me and post it in another video. So I'm gonna use these things on in my December daily junk journal. I think I'm actually up to date. I think today's the 9th, 8th. Today's 9th. So yeah, because I did, yeah. So I'm catching up. I mean, I'm all caught up, and then, so I'm gonna do here with this box and journal about it. And I'll do that in the next video. So I'll post them together so you don't have to wait. But thank you for watching. If you're just watching this one and are gonna watch the other one next, thank you as always for watching, and I hope you liked it. I will leave a link so you can go check it out. You can gift it to yourself for Christmas. It's definitely a good value and worth it. So just go check it out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.